This is the 1 week celebration of our beloved chief Nana Yao, Daani II of Asuamehene. And these are his family. As we can all see, they are wearing black to show how sad and tragic it is for them to lose a brother. The family are all here to show condolences and wish him well, farewell. And this is the Kete dance, or the Kete performance of Asafo group. These are our beloved chief Nana Yao, Daani of Asuamehene. And these are the families. Like I said before, they are all wearing black. They are seriously mourning the loss of their brother. And these are the elders and chiefs who came to show condolence with our beloved chief and the family. These are the chiefs, all wearing black, like I said, to show our rich culture. And the performance from the Kete is still ongoing. This is all part of our culture, how rich our culture can be. You can see them dancing. The dance is not really to show happiness of what has happened, but it's actually a culture that we dance to show how tremendous our culture is. The lovely culture of Ghana, or the Ashanti region. So I would actually love us to watch the beautiful performance from the Kete. This is NYANSAPO TV. You should please subscribe, share and like. Police from Asuamehene, where their beloved chief rule. They are greeting the family and the chiefs. We can see some of them are coming out to dance to show how beautiful our culture is. So let's watch our mothers as they perform. Now, wow, we can see a little girl. She's dancing beautifully with our culture. She's dressed in our cultural dress. This is how we show our love and condolences to the family of our chief. Let's watch a beautiful little girl make her performance. This is also one of the families who come out to also show his own performance. This is our best way we can actually send our beloved chief, Nanayao Daani II, away. This is the beloved wife of our chief. As you can see, she's holding something in her hand, and her hair is shaved. You can see the beads around her neck, and the way she's crying, you should know that it is so sad. She really feels sad for her husband's death. That means she's now a widow. And these are her sisters with her. She's really mourning. You should watch her movement. See how sad she is. How pitiful it is for her. So let's watch her as she performs. This is NYANSAPO TV. Please subscribe, like and share. See, the sisters are all crying. You can see how sad they really look. She's holding something in her hand, like I said before. That is also part of our culture, to show that she's the one that her husband died, and the husband being a chief. This is how our tradition goes. This is a very sad news for all of us, especially the Ashanti region. But with NYANSAPO TV, you have a lot to learn about our culture. It teaches you a lot about our culture. Now, she's going towards the elders. The girl is still dancing to welcome the widow, the wife of our beloved chief. All Ashanti region are really very sad at this moment to lose a wonderful chief. The Asuamehene, that is the Swami chief. We call them the Asuamehene, so Swami chief, that's what it is. And the wife, which is a widow, is going to greet the chiefs and the elders who came to sympathize with her. This is our culture, this is our tradition. Culture from Ghana, Ashanti region. They are showing their condolences with her. She's in a very sad mood. She's crying bitterly. This is NYANSAPO TV, where we teach you a whole lot about our tradition, our culture, entertainment, So please, we want you to subscribe, like and share. Now we are having our widow make some performance for us. We know she's sad, but she has to. She has to dance to the beat of the Kete. Kete is a cultural dance. Those with her are condolences, came to sympathize with her. So let's watch as she performs with the little girl. With her performance, and now they need to let her settle down, for her to sit down. They're heading her towards her seat. Subscribe, like and share. NYANSAPO TV. Now we have the chiefs. More chiefs are coming in as we speak. More chiefs are coming in, who are actually here to sympathize. We can still see the little girl welcoming the chiefs. The little girl, she's mostly to welcome them. Her dance is a welcome dance. We're still having a singing performance from the Kete, a group of Asafoet. He is one of our chiefs. We are all here to sympathize with our beloved mother. So let's watch as they perform for us with the singing from the Kete group of Asafoet. Wow, this is amazing. It's not really done anywhere to see a police beating the drums, the Kete. This is with so much effort. He is a police from Asuamehene. That's to show how sad he is. I think he's more like putting all sadness into the drum. So let's watch the performance from our dear police. This is how our 1 week in Ghana in Ashanti region is done. They are all sad, but this is the best way they can show their sympathy. NYANSAPO TV. Subscribe, like and share. We give you more of these, more education on our tradition and culture, how beautiful our Ghanaian culture is, and how much we love our culture. We are still having performance from the Kete and people still coming out to dance. It's a tragic dance though. You can see they are being sprayed money for their wonderful dance. These are our tradition. It's a sad moment, but this is the best we can do. They're having more performance on the Kete dance. These are our elders dancing. Elders of Asuamehene. They are dancing. Wow. Now we have a lady dancing to the Kete beats. We can all remember King David, who danced to the same Kete beats, and he danced so well because he was excited. This is our culture in Ghana. They are not excited, but they need to make some moves. King David danced with all excitement till his robe fell because he was so excited to dance. So let's watch the beautiful performance of our sister. And here we have a woman beating the drum, the Kete, which has so much effort, and she's putting all that effort into it. Well, in our tradition, in our culture, it's mostly the men who do this. But this lady has also shown that, this woman has also shown that she can do and do it well. It's more like putting all your sadness into something. So let's watch her as she plays. This is the 1 week celebration of Nana Yao Daani II, Chief of Asuamehene. NYANSAPO TV brings you education on our tradition, on our culture, how we Ghanaians and Ashanti region do our things. So please subscribe, like and share. Well, a whole lot of people are amazed with how she plays the Kete. The police have taken over again. He's really doing an amazing work. NYANSAPO only bring exclusive and interesting things to you. We give you beautiful and wonderful views. So let's watch him as he performs again. NYANSAPO TV. This is the 1 week of our beloved chief, Nana Yao Daani II. Please subscribe, like, and share. one of our elders just came to join the dance. And he's really dancing the Adwa perfectly. The Adwa dance perfectly. Let's watch him. Our sister has also come to join with her lovely dance steps, the Adwa dance. This is the 1 week celebration of our beloved chief, Nana Yao Daani II. We are all sad, but this is just the wonderful culture of we Ghanaians in the Ashanti region. NYANSAPO TV, we teach you a lot about our culture. So you subscribe, like, and share. These are our Kete dancers, the only dance, the Kete. These are the wonderful steps of our dance, the Kete dance, also known as Adwa. So let's watch our beautiful sisters and mothers. The gentleman who just came in is also part of the Kete dancers, and he's also showing us his own moves of our rich tradition, our rich Ghanaian culture. We are all celebrating and mourning the 1 week of our beloved king, Nana Yao Daani II of Asuamehene. So let's watch him also perform his own part. You see how lovely the performance is. They're putting so much effort. With a beautiful dance step from the Kete dancers. Beautiful dance steps from Ghana, Ashanti region. is how beautiful and rich our culture is. Well, we are about to get done with whatever we are doing. So we are having our chiefs and elders leaving, one after the other. This is the picture of our beloved chief, Nana Yao Daani II. And we also have our widow, the wife of our chief. She's greeting them again to leave. She's so sorrowful. She's still crying because she can't bear the pain of her beloved husband leaving her. She's telling her husband to rest in peace, rest in perfect peace. Our widow is leaving, but as she is leaving, she is still performing to the Kete dance. These are a rich culture of Ghana, especially the Ashanti region. Now we have the leader of the Asafoet dance group, Kete group. We are having the leader of the Kete dance group. She's here to perform. The amazing thing about her is she speaks to the drum, because the drum speaks to us. It's a language we understand. Now she's dancing to the rhythm of the drum. So let's watch her beautiful performance. This is NYANSAPO TV. You subscribe, like and share for more videos. We bring more videos to you to see our wonderful and interesting culture. Very interesting culture of our people. Thank you very much for your time and going through this special event with us. I will still have to say rest in peace to our chief, Nana Daani II.